Hello, my name is Tanya Miller and I'm the president of Secret Weapon Media Agency, and I'm wondering if you're worried because third-party cookies are being phased out online and the privacy laws keep changing. The constant shifting of what's allowed in the digital space is making the old methods of marketing and advertising obsolete. So we've assembled our top 3 tools to help you focus on new customer acquisition so you can keep growing no matter what. In our workshop, you'll walk away with practical information on 3 important things. Number 1, how to target potential customers based on what we know about their behavior in real life. Number 2, how to tap into new prospects using custom audiences available through specific types of partnerships. And number 3, how to incorporate new technologies to engage with people that visit your location so everyone that walks on your lot is touched by your company electronically. If this is the kind of information that you feel like would give you a competitive edge, please sign up for our workshop today.